Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for the 4th of July, and I'm going to be doing my makeup, my hair, and showing you guys my outfit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so I've been using this Ultra Repair Barrier Cream by First Aid Beauty, and I've just been using this to moisturize my face before I apply my makeup. I just really like the way it applies on my face, and it makes my face feel really soft. Sometimes my skin can be sensitive, and I really like this moisturizer because it also helps with acne. Next, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow cream, and it's in the shade Espresso, and I'm just using it to fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me foundation, and it's matte poreless, and I ran out of my Born This Way foundation from Sephora, so I've just been using this, and I'm just using a beauty blender to apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Lock-It setting powder, and it's translucent, and I just got this from Sephora, and I'm just going to be using that to set my foundation. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty contour stick, and I've been using this, and I really like it, and it looks a little dark, but it's not, and I'm just blending this all out with my beauty blender as well. Next, I'm taking this Broken blush, and I am not sure what brand this is, but I'm just using it as my blush. And next, I'm taking my e.l.f. highlighter, and it's in the shade Starlight Glow. Next, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Take Me Home eyeshadow palette. And so I'm just going to be taking this shade named Popular Demand, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. And so I'm just going to be applying this one, and it's named Saltwater, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lid as well. And then I'm going to be taking Popular Demand and applying it on the lower lash line. And also, it's my first time applying eyeshadow, so sorry if it doesn't look that great. Next, I'm going to be taking my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes and then applying it. So that is the finished look for my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu facial spray, and it's aloe with cucumber and green tea. Next, I'm taking my Patrick Star MAC lipstick, and it's in the shade Ultimate Diva, and I'm just going to be applying that on my lips. And that is the finished makeup look. Also, just realized that I had mascara on my eyelid and I didn't even notice. Okay, so that is how I'm going to be doing my makeup for the 4th of July. And now I'm going to be showing you guys my hairstyle. And I just left my hair like this overnight after I showered, and I'm just going to leave it wavy. So I'm just going to be taking out the braids and leaving my hair like that. Okay, so I just took out the braids and my hair is like really wavy and curly now. So I'm just going to be leaving it like this for today. And now I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit. So originally I was going to wear my red stripe, it was like a stripe top and my denim shorts, but my dog peed on me and I had to shower again. So unfortunately I can't wear that outfit, so I'm going to be going with my plan B, and so I'm going to be showing you guys that right now. This shirt is from Forever 21 and it's just like a crop top and it has like a little, I guess, knot in the front, and it's like plaid with red on it. And then I'm just wearing these jeans from Levi's. I'm not sure what style they are, but they're high-waisted and they just have some tears at on the knee. And then I'm wearing my Fila's, and this is the outfit that I will be wearing tonight. So yeah. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, I will be linking everything for you in the description, my outfits and all my makeup products. Also, leave in the comments down below if you guys have any video requests, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!